This will be for the con-assignment slope-intercept equation from graph. Okay, so they basically want us to write the equation of the line right here in the boxes. And if you recall, the formula for, the equation for the line is y equals mx plus b. Okay, so m goes right here. That's with the x, and b is by itself on the end. Okay, recall that m is our slope. All right, and that's going to be change in y over change in x. All right, so you want to take 2 points from the graph, and you want to get ones where the line is on the corner of the box. The easiest ones, if you have points that cross the y-axis and the x-axis, those are the easiest points. So I'm going to take this point here and this point right here. All right. So change in y is the up-down part. So I'm going to just go from one point to the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I went up 4, so that's a positive 4. And then for the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's positive 6. And since we went right, that's why it's positive. So 4 over 6. But you have to reduce that fraction. 4 is even and 6 is even. All right, 4 divided by 2 is just 2. 6 divided by 2 is just 3. So m is 2/3. All right, and for b, that is just the point where it crosses the y-axis or intercepts the y-axis. Okay, so point B, where it hits the y-axis, is right here. Okay, so B is 4. So that's it. We just enter these numbers in the box. All right, so m is 2/3. So you can just write 2/3, and b equals 4. Just put in the 4. All right. So it's going to be the same formula every time. Y equals mx plus b. All right. So remember, m is your slope. M is going to be change in y over change in x. All right, so pick 2 points. I say the easiest points are the ones that cross the x and the y axis. So right there and right there would work. Okay, so let's count the change in y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We went up 5, so that's a positive 5. Now for the change in x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We went right 5, so that's a positive 5. Okay, and 5 over 5 is just 1. All right, and now we want to find B, where the line crosses the y-axis. This is your y-axis, okay, and it hits the y-axis right there. That's your B, y-intercept. Okay, so that's negative 5. And that's all you need. All right, So in place of M, I'm going to write the 1. And in place of B, I'm going to write -5. All right, and really, when you write an equation, you usually don't have to write 1 in front of the x. It's just regular x. But since there's a box here, they wanted us to put something there. All right, last one. Find the equation of the line. So let's do the slope first. Change in y over change in x. All right. So pick 2 points. Make sure they're on the corner of the box. So I'm going to take this one right here and this one right here. All right. So change in y, I'm just going to go down 1. All right. Remember, when it's down, it's negative. So the y is -1. Change in y is -1. And then I'm going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units to the right. Okay. So change in x is +4. And the slope is just -1/4. Now for your B, you just see where it crosses the y-axis. Here's your y-axis. All right, and the point where the line hits it is right there. B is going to be -6. All right, so enter 1/4 for slope. Enter -6 for y-intercept. All right, so slope is the number with x. So -1/4, I'm going to type the dash 1/4. Now it says -1/4, and B is going to be -6. So that's it.